Jordan's economy continues to develop despite regional conflict, high public debt, and creeping unemployment rates. However, expensive and scarce natural resources are jeopardizing the competitiveness of local industries and their potential to help solve unemployment in the country. Generating savings through the effective use of water, energy, and raw materials can help improve the productivity of local businesses, and it can also ensure resource availability to other parts of society while safeguarding the environment.
Resource efficiency is the new trend in the world. Delivering actually a planet good enough for our children is our responsibility. And the SCP is not only related to energy, to water, to reducing cost and delivering all the competitiveness of the factories that we need here in Jordan. And this is the important thing, that these factories can sustain themselves in a way to compete with all other industries and export to new markets.
To help achieve this goal, UNIDO, together with government institutions, local experts and actors from the civil society, implemented the MedTest2 project under the EU-funded SwitchMed Program. The aim of the project is to demonstrate the business case of a resource-efficient and cleaner production to companies in the Jordanian food sector.
We were always accustomed to some bad practices that we thought could never be changed. Having somebody from outside always changes that. And once you have the courage to try it out and see what happens, you will realize that it's a new world of opportunities here.
By focusing on each company's production processes, the UNIDO test methodology analyzes how a business operates and the amount of resources it uses. This reviews the cost of material losses and inefficient energy and water consumption. Generated waste is minimized or valorized, and this helps companies to switch towards more circular production systems and business models.
We worked on reducing the waste from our products in the production. By calculating the waste, we reduced the waste from 1.2 kilograms per product unit to 400 grams unit product.
In general, our project was to check several areas in our factory in order to make sure that we are using our resources in the best way. In fact, we found some leakages, maybe in steam, in air, and some water systems. It was a good chance for us to fix these leakages and to save good energy.
But saving resources through the implementation of one-time measures is not enough. The test methodology helps companies change their way of operating in a sustainable manner by setting up an information and management system for continuous improvements.
The most important achievement is the culture in the companies. All the companies are planning to keep their test teams within the company so they can do continuous improvement with time.
With this project, we have a new culture. We have a new way of thinking. We enhance the information system, our information system. We try to be more sustainable.
The number one benefit was the culture change. This is something that will stick with us for the years to come. It's the change in mentality, how people view the process efficiency. The numbers that we saved, they're a big benefit, but they're a one-time shot. They're important. We have a lot of savings. But what was better is that we found out that we have to change to revolutionize the way we're producing. In our case, we've hired two industrial engineers, and we've split up the work between them to own this ongoing development and to keep working on it to make sure this is a continuing process in our company, not just a project.
The MedTest2 project in Jordan identified 214 improvements measures within 12 demonstration companies. Per year, this means savings of 63,000 cubic meters of water, 22 gigawatt hours of energy, 404 tons of raw materials, and 8,000 tons of CO2 emissions. Annually, the companies are saving 2.1 million euros at an average return of investment rate at 1.7 years.
Actually, we have been very satisfied with the results. And the EU is committed in further support to Jordan, hand in hand with UNIDO in the future, and also to demonstrate what happened here in Jordan to the other countries in the region.
In this regard, I would like to thank the Royal Scientific Society, RSS, and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, for the great efforts. Also, thanks are extended to the European Union for their continuous support in assisting Jordan to shift towards sustainable consumption and production.
The MedTest 2 demonstration project in Jordan has shown that transitioning to resource-efficient and more circular business models can help deliver economic, social, and environmental benefits.